Hello guys, this video is dedicated to Arduino Uno. We will be showing you what is Arduino Uno, how to program Arduino Uno, how to flash the program, how to write a code. Okay, so this is Arduino Uno. For writing the code, we will be using Arduino IDE as a compiler. We will be writing the code in Arduino IDE. We will be writing our logics there, and through Arduino IDE we will be sending our code or flashing our code to Arduino Uno board. So Arduino has lots of series of microcontrollers. So it has a specific board to other microcontrollers. So I am holding Arduino Uno right now. Apart from Arduino Uno, we have a Arduino Mega, we have a Arduino Nano, Pro Mini, and others. Apart from this Arduino Uno, these are microcontrollers. Apart from this, we have a mini computers like Raspberry Pi. This is 4 GB computer. We have a Orange Pi. We have a Jetson Nano mounted with Raspberry Pi cam. I will be making a video of these mini computers later, how to program it. But with this video, I will be more focusing on Arduino Uno only. Okay, now we'll start with installing Arduino IDE. So before installation, we will need to download the Arduino IDE. So I will open any browser and will write Arduino IDE. After writing Arduino IDE, the first page will come Arduino.cc software. We need to just click here Arduino IDE, and in download section you will find the latest version of Arduino IDE 2.0.4. So we can just install from this link Windows, WinNAND, and now newer version of 64-bit. My PC is 64-bit, installed Windows 10. So we'll go to just download, and you can give the path where you want to download. I have given this path where my Arduino IDE will be start downloading. Just simply save. It will take few seconds to install. If you have a good internet connection, depends. Okay, let us download this. After downloads, we will be installing this. So it is being downloaded. I will go to the software where my software installs. Double click. It will ask for permission. Click agree. So it asks for only for me or all users. I will suggest to click on anyone who use this computer. Next, and then it will ask for administration permission. You need to give the yes, and then it will start downloading. It will ask for drivers to install. Please make sure you install the drivers also. So in my case, I have downloaded already Arduino IDE. So I will click cancel here. Now we have installed Arduino IDE. We will be opening just in search box. We'll simply type Arduino. It will take few seconds to open. Yeah, now we have opened Arduino IDE. So it has a sketch where we'll be writing our code. It will come with two functions, with void setup and void loop. So void setup is a function will be execute once when it will start, when Arduino will powered up. This statement under the void setup will execute once. And second function is void loop, which is equivalent to while loop, while where condition is always true. So it will execute infinite times. So I will give you the example of a blinking LED. So for the better understanding, so first in void setup we will define our pin as output, because we will be giving the signals from pin to LED. So we'll take this LED 13 and it will set to output. Now we have set our pin output. Now what action we have to do infinite times? We need to blink our LED. Okay, so we will be writing the inbuilt function digital write. First argument will be our LED pin, and second we will be setting it to high. High means it will give the high voltage from the pin. Okay, so we'll give the delay till how many seconds or milliseconds we will be turning on our LED. So delay argument will be in milliseconds. So 1000 milliseconds is equivalent to 1 second. So after that we will be writing the code for turning off the LED after 1 second. So now we have written 4 statement here. Digital write, we have written high, it will turn on the LED. After 1 second it will turn off the LED, and after again 1 second it will go back to digital high, it will turn on. So this is what I told you, this is the while loop. It will keep on executing. Let's see the demo to Arduino Uno. We'll be connecting Arduino Uno with our PC through USB, and we can upload our code from here. First we'll compile our code by clicking on this button. If you do any mistake, then it will show at the bottom here. So in this case it is now done. Let's make a mistake here in the code. I have removed semicolon and we'll try to compile. Now it's showing the error. Here it is an error. So we will be just simplifying our code. Now we'll compile. It will show the done compiling. And then for burning the code into the Arduino Uno, we will be clicking in this upload button. So after clicking upload, our Arduino will be flashed. Okay. So now we are ready with our code, which I have written manually. Later we'll write this code with ChatGPT. Okay. So we have Arduino Uno and we have a USB type B. We will be connecting here, and other part type A will be connected with the laptop's USB cable. Now we will be clicking on the upload button. As you can see, so now it is uploading. As you can see, it is showing the done uploaded. Now we have successfully flashed our code in Arduino Uno board. Now we'll check how to act as a blinking LED. So we have LED. We will be connecting our LED with the resistors, and we should have breadboard and a jumper wire. Okay, so the connection will be as it is. We have a LED here. It has long leg and a short leg. So long side should be on the positive side and the short side leg should be on ground side. So as you can see in Arduino Uno, we have different pins, which if we start with lower, so we have A5 to A0, then V in, then to ground, 5 volt, 3.3, reset, and IO reference. So in V in, if you want to give the external supply, we will be giving to V in pin. It supports till 12 volt. Okay, so for now we are connecting our LED with Arduino. Now we have LED here. So the long leg I will be connecting here. This side is long, this side is short. I have 330 ohm resistor. I will be connecting one leg of resistor with the long leg of LED, and other leg of resistor is connected with these pins. Now we have a jumper. One jumper I have connected to the leg of resistor, and other jumper I have connected with short leg of LED. Okay, now same thing, the short side of LED should be connected with ground of Arduino. Now we have connected our wire properly, and the results are like this. The LED is blinking with the interval of 1 second. Okay. Let's change 1 second to 2 second. We'll be changing here 2000 millisecond, 2000 millisecond, and simply uploading the code. So code is uploaded. Now you can see the LED is blinking with the interval of 2 second. 2 second turn on, 1, 2, and it turns off for 2 seconds. So this is how the code works. Let's do this code on ChatGPT. So this is how we have seen the manual code and uploading into the Arduino Uno, and we have seen the blinking LED according to our time delay. So now the same thing we will be instead of writing manually, we will ask ChatGPT to write our code, and we will be copying from ChatGPT output and we'll be pasting here in Sketch, and then we'll also upload into the Arduino Uno. To ask ChatGPT, we need to open a browser. So I have opened a browser. So this link you need to open. I will be adding this link to the description. Then click try ChatGPT. It will take some time open. Once it will open, we will ask to write a code for blinking LED in a 1 second interval. Okay. So here in the search box we can write a Arduino code for blinking LED at pin 13. So we have just given the command, so the ChatGPT is writing the code automatically. As you can see, as you can compare with the previous manual code, it is showing the code as well as some description what code does. So here we can just click copy code. Here we have copied the code. Then here we will create a new window, Control N, it will open a new sketch. There will Control A for select all, and Control V for select for paste. So now we can compare our code. It is quite same. This is how you can play with ChatGPT. Uh, if you want to change a pin, let us suppose you need to change the pin 13 to 2, so we can simply write a Arduino code for blinking the LED at pin 2. We can give the command and ChatGPT will start writing the code. So this is how we can save our time and use ChatGPT AI bot to write our Arduino simple codes. So here we are writing. Now after that, if you want to make a blinking LED code, then you can also ask ChatGPT write a Arduino code for fading the LED at pin 9. So this is a second application where instead of blinking, we are just simply fading, making the application where the LEDs will fading, slowly turning on, and then turns on slowly. So it will take some time to open. Yeah, started writing the code. I'll wait to write the code. That is now it is taking more time than usual, so we will wait. Now it has generated all the code. We will simply copy this code and we can paste in our sketch. And now also you can check the description how the code is working. It also generates the description in ChatGPT. So we have copied the code and we will be opening a new sketch by control plus new, control plus N, and then select all, paste. So this is the Arduino code. We'll just compiling this, whether check it is giving any error or not. So it is done compiled properly. So we'll simply upload the code and we'll check the hardware action. So we will be connecting our LED at 9 instead of 13 pin. Now let's see after uploading the code. Now we are uploading our code by clicking the upload button. Okay, before that we'll be checking our tools and the ports. Okay, then we'll clicking on the upload button. We'll start uploading. Uploading is done. So as you can see, LED is stopped blinking now because it is connected to pin 13. Now we'll be connecting pin 13 to pin 9. I have disconnected from 13 to 9. I have disconnected. Now you can see the LED is now fading, turning down slowly and turning on slowly. Yeah, this is what the code does. So you can also ask ChatGPT the Arduino Uno specifications, what controller it uses, specification. So ChatGPT will tell you what is Arduino and Uno specification, what microcontroller it has, how many voltage it consumes, how many digital pins are there, analog pins are there, flash memories, clock speed, each and everything you can see in ChatGPT. Now, so this is how we can ask about anything to ChatGPT. So if you have any question, if any query related to Arduino Uno, and in this session, you can also ask in comment section. Also, you can join the Telegram channel where you can ask your query related to your embedded projects. You can join our Telegram channel. I have mentioned the link of Telegram channel in the description. Okay, thank you.